Well, hi, I'm Amy Roloff. Well, Amy, and I'm in my little kitchen. Anyway, I'm making New York strip steak. So steak to me is very simple, unless you really want to cover it with, stuff depending on the steak you have. Basically, it's just salt and pepper or a little bit of other spices that you may want to add to it to give it a little heat, a little fire to it. I'm probably just going to do salt and pepper on this. And I usually, everyone's different, but I usually like my meat medium rare. I don't like a lot of this red, but I definitely like it that good pink color. And I have this pretty much on the highest heat because I really want a good sear. But look at this, just lusciousness.